XL Church? Have you joined us in like the last 3 to 6 months? Well, we'd love to buy you a drink and tell you a little bit more about church and who we are as leadership here at XL Church. So why don't you come along to Costa Coffee at Key Junction, Willenhall, around 6 p.m. on Thursday the 10th of October. It'll be a great time to just chat a bit more, get to know you, and you'll get a free coffee. So come along for that if you're new to XL Church. Ladies, our annual women's conference Devoted is happening and it's nearly here. It's just a few weeks away and we can't wait to spend that Saturday with you. So make sure you've got your tickets, make sure that you've invited a friend and got their ticket for them, and that you join us for that Saturday for some encouragement and inspiration. We're going to be joined with a guest speaker and it's going to be a great time. Her name's Sarah Small and she's from Manchester, from the Eden Project. So we can't wait to have her with us as well. So make sure you come along for that Saturday and we'll have some great fun together.
Your praises echo through the streets, and I know that you will save me.
Baptism service is going to be happening on the 29th of September. That is pretty soon. So if you are new to the Christian faith and you'd like to take that next step, then why don't you speak to one of our team after the service today, and we'd love to talk to you a bit more about that. That's all for XL News, but this week is Connect Groups, so make sure you connect with yours. And don't forget, next Sunday as well, we're going to be joined by special guest Naomi Murphy, who's going to be joining us from Life Church in Bedworth. So have a great week, guys, and we'll see you next week.